Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about animal husbandry. Rather than crop cultivation, it is emerging as a reliable source of livelihood and income for farmers. One reason for this is growing threat to the crop from climate change that has driven weather uncertainty and other hazards. Animal farming can hedge this risk to a significant extent. Besides, the demand for animal products such as milk, meat, egg is growing faster than the plant-based food thanks to rising income and changing food habits that has been observed recently. This has made livestock husbandry more lucrative than crop farming. While the average compound annual growth rate of crop production has been reduced from 3% to 1.5%, on the other hand, livestock has grown from 3% to 7.5%. The share of livestock production has surged from about 20% to 30% in 2021. Even today, small and marginal farmers and landless people, comprising over 85% of rural population, rely substantially on livestock for their sustenance. The milk industry alone supports more than 80 million dairy farmers. Unsurprisingly, India now leads the world in milk production. In fact, it replaced United States as world's largest milk producer way back in 1998. The milk output of 221 million tons in 2022 accounted to nearly 23% of global milk supply. The white revolution, which is milk-based, is indeed not only a success story in the animal husbandry sector. The poultry sector too has clocked a compound annual growth rate of over 6%. According to Agriculture and Processed Food Production Export Development Authority (APEDA), India shipped out livestock products worth over 32,000 crore in 22-23. The meat of buffalo, sheep, goat, besides poultry and dairy products, is major export item. Buffalo meat alone accounts for nearly 2/3 of export of animal products. Interestingly, animal husbandry sector has scaled this height largely with private investment. The bulk of agriculture subsidy by center and state government has gone to crop sector, leaving the animal husbandry sector with only minimal to spend. Moreover, animal products do not enjoy the kind of price and market support that many crop-based commodities get in the form of minimum support price. In spite of all this, even though the crop failed due to adverse weather conditions, animal continues to provide food and income through milk, egg, wool, and meat. Under the worst circumstances, even the live animal can be sold to generate cash. Besides, bullock have traditionally been used as a source of power for the farm operation and transportation. Little wonder, therefore, possession of farm animal is one of the key determinants of socio-economic status of rural household. Animals are also given as gift in the marriages. However, this animal husbandry sector faces formidable constraint as well. The most significant among them is the shortage and consequently high cost of feed and fodder. While the natural pasture and common grazing ground are either vanishing or shrinking in size due to encroachment and degradation of vegetation cover, the price of cultivated fodder is rising up. As all this issue remains unaddressed even till now, the growth of animal husbandry sector might suffer due to all these challenges, and this will be a hard road for all the stakeholders that are on the route of animal husbandry, because substantial amount of farmers are highly dependent on them. Thank you for watching.